Again, people are not taking very good care of me. I'm becoming weaker and weaker, but it seems like nobody's paying attention. I've been trying to warn them, but they haven't taken any of the signs seriously. I'm not sure how much more I can take. I hope something will change soon.
Victoria, is that you? Oh, how was school? What did you learn about today?
About sustainability, Mom.
About what?
About sustainability.
What in the world is that? They just keep making things up now, so you have more things to do.
It's not like that, Grandpa. It's about caring about our planet and the people around us.
Well, people have always looked after our planet. What is there new to learn? Everything is clear. When I was young, people used to learn how to read, write, and calculate. All they do now is coming up with new words.
Dad, don't be so negative. Honey, what does the teacher say? Do we live sustainably? I take very good care of you and cook homemade meals every day.
Mom, but you cook more than we can eat. It would be enough for the whole neighborhood. Throwing food away is not sustainable.
Victoria, don't be rude to your mother. She grows her own garden so you can eat fresh food every day.
But she uses artificial fertilizer, and she should use ecological ones because these are better for the earth and healthier for us.
Okay, we can try that. You can help me as soon as you put your dirty clothes in the washing machine.
You should also do something about that. Our washing machine spends more water than Zauri thermal water parks. There are new models of machines that save out water and electricity.
I must agree with Victoria. We better call it a noisy machine. It's almost never off.
Dad, you could also live more sustainably. You never recycle plastic bottles.
Bicycle? Where are we going by bicycle? You know I can't see well enough to ride a bicycle.
Apparently you can't hear either. Even though riding a bike is sustainable, Mom said recycle. R-E-C-Y-C-L-E. That means sorting out waste.
Well, maybe he can't see well and can't hear well, but your grandpa is a very nice person. You know that he volunteers at the meal center and serves food for the homeless every weekend. Isn't that also part of sustainable living?
Yeah, Mom, it is. I'm just joking. Anyways, where is Dad?
He's at work. Today he's giving lectures to some students about endangered species.
I haven't seen him for days. Why does he work that much lately?
Honey, you have to understand. April is the month when people all around the world start to think about their planet. And it's an opportunity to raise awareness about the danger it faces.
I know, Mom. That's why I entered the I.N.S.P.I.R.E project. I'm very tired. I'm going to bed.
I have to admit, even though she can be harsh with words, nothing she says is wrong.
Yes, I agree. I am very glad she's interested in this topic because kids nowadays do not think critically. You know, their school promotes partnerships with other schools. She's even going to Ankara in May to learn more about making compost.
Well, I always wanted to learn how to make compost.
That's what I was hoping for. The other day, the moon was very disrespectful, and he laughed at me because some people treat me very poorly. He told me I won't last too long and that he doesn't want them to visit him and do the same to him. But, as we can see, there is hope. Look at this family. Even though there is still a lot to be done, this family shows that you, young generations, can change my future. Don't forget, you can make a difference.
just because